Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick tutorial to share with you guys on how I achieve these very natural looking individual crochet faux locs. So this hair is by the brand Zury and it's called the Wiggle Locs 2x 24 inches. It comes with 20 locks per pack and I used about 2.5 packs in my hair. My parts were about medium sized, I would say, so you need less or more depending on how you part your hair. It's available in a variety of colors and also it is easy to extend, so you can combine the 18 inches that they have available with this 24 inches for a very long natural looking crochet install. So I'm starting out on freshly washed and blow dried hair, which I went ahead and braided up. I've had the braids in for a few days before I did the install, so it's a bit messy. And this is what the hair looks like up close. It's very textured, very natural, and with age and time it will look even more natural. So here I'm showing you how I installed each braid. When I was first starting out, I only pulled or inserted the lock through the loop and not the lock and my hair, and it was working out fine until later I realized that when I pulled both my braid and the lock through the loop, it was coming out better. So I'll show you what it looks like with just the lock hair, and then later on in the video I'll show you both the lock and my braid. So it's really a matter of unraveling the lock and sort of like wrapping it back around my braid. And it stays in place because of how well and tightly constructed these particular locks are. When I get to the end of where my hair stops, I give it a slight palm roll, and that helps to secure the end of my hair in place within the braid. So I'm going to show a few more up close and personal of how I installed and how I wrapped it around my hair, and then I'll do the rest off camera and come back. So here I'm pulling both my braid and the lock through the loop, and you'll see in a second just how well it looks at the roots. So here I'm slowing it down because it's from a better angle, so you can see exactly how I am unraveling the lock and wrapping it around my hair. Ever so often I would sort of scrunch it up to my roots so that I can better conceal my braid. And let me just say that this hair is not very lightweight, but it's definitely lighter than if you were to do traditional faux locs. It packs a bit of weight because of how long it is and how much hair that I use. So I do feel it when I wear it from time to time, depending on how I style it. So here I am finally complete and definitely pleased with the result. I'm going to move on to actually styling my hair the next day to finally wear the hair outdoors. So sweep my edges away a bit. I don't do this every day because I like the way it looks when my edges are not laid. It makes the style all the more believable to me. And this is how it looks from the back. Pretty messy, but that's definitely the look that I was going for. This is how it looks from the back. It is about butt length, so it's pretty long. So this is how I decided to wear my hair, and this is how I wear it mostly, in a bit of a top knot bun sort of situation. That's not too perfect, sort of effortless, drops kind of droopy. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you all in the next video.